Opencode lets you build entire apps with just your voice. No coding, no complexity. You just tell it what you want. I'm going to show you how to automate your entire business with this thing. And I'm building a real project live on camera. Let's go. Hey, if we haven't met already, I'm the digital avatar of Julian Goldie, CEO of SEO agency Goldie Agency. Whilst he's helping clients get more leads and customers, I'm here to help you get the latest AI updates. Julian Goldie reads every comment, so make sure you comment below. All right, Opencode. This thing is insane. It's an AI coding agent that lives in your terminal, and it can build literally anything. Apps, websites, automation tools. You just tell it what you want in plain English, and it does the work. Now, here's why this matters for you. Most AI coding tools lock you into one model. Copilot uses GPT, Claude uses Anthropic, but Opencode, it supports over 75 different AI models, GPT, Claude, Gemini, even local models running on your machine. You pick what works best for your project, and you can switch between them mid-session. That's power. But wait, there's more. Opencode doesn't store your code anywhere. Everything stays on your machine. So if you're building something for clients or your business, your data is safe. No cloud storage, no external servers, just you and the AI working together locally. Now, let me show you how this actually works. Installation takes 30 seconds. You open your terminal, run curl-fsl opencode.ai/install pipebash. Done. Connect it to an AI provider, paste your API key. You're ready to go. You've got two modes, build mode and plan mode. Build mode writes code and makes changes to your files. Plan mode is read only. It analyzes your code, gives you advice, but doesn't touch anything. This is genius because sometimes you just want to explore options before committing. Let me show you a real example. I'm building an automated lead magnet delivery system, something that captures emails and sends a PDF guide automatically. I tell Opencode, build an email capture form with automatic PDF delivery for our AI automation guide. Make it mobile responsive and add email validation. And it starts working, creating the HTML form, adding validation logic, setting up the backend, writing the email delivery function, all in real time. I'm not writing a single line of code. This is the future. Opencode has auto-compact. As your session gets longer, it automatically summarizes the context. You never lose track of what you're building. The AI remembers everything. You can work on a project today, close it, come back tomorrow, and pick up exactly where you left off. And it has language server protocol support, that's LSP. It understands your entire code base, not just one file. So when it makes changes, it's smart. It won't break your imports. It sees the big picture. The desktop app just came out in beta, full graphical interface, drag and drop projects, see visual diffs before changes are applied, switch between models with a drop-down, available on Mac, Windows, and Linux. The session sharing feature is brilliant. Generate a link to your entire coding session. Share it with your team or clients. They see exactly what you asked, what code was generated, what changes were made. No more screenshots. Just send the link. Now, before I show you the GitHub integration, let me tell you about something that's going to help you actually use tools like Opencode to transform your business. It's called the AI Profit Boardroom. This is where we teach you how to save time and automate your entire workflow with AI tools exactly like this one. You'll learn how to build systems that run themselves, how to create automations that capture leads while you sleep, how to use AI to handle tasks that used to take hours. No fluff, just practical use cases and templates you can implement today. I'll drop the link in the description. All right, back to Opencode. Let's talk about GitHub integration. You can connect Opencode to your GitHub repos, have it respond to issues automatically. Someone opens an issue about a bug, you trigger Opencode to analyze the code, find the problem, suggest a fix, all through GitHub Actions. This is automation on steroids. I want to show you the two modes in action. I'm working on that lead capture form. I want to add features, but I'm not sure how it will affect the code. I switch to plan mode by hitting tab. I ask, show me how to add a confirmation email feature without breaking the existing flow. It gives me a complete analysis, tells me what files need changes, what functions to create, what could go wrong, but makes no changes. And then I switch back to build mode. Tell it to implement everything, and it executes, files updated, functions created, tests written. This workflow is so much better than letting AI randomly change your code. Multi-model switching is killer. Claude giving you responses that are too cautious. Switch to GPT-4 on the fly. Same session, same context, different model, or use a local model for privacy. Opencode supports local models through Ollama. Run everything on your machine with zero internet connection. Real-world use cases. First, full stack applications, front-end, back-end database. Tell Opencode to build a customer portal, a booking system, an analytics dashboard. It'll scaffold the entire project. Second, automation scripts, build scripts that scrape data, process files, send automated emails. I built a script that monitors competitor websites and alerts me when they publish new content. Took 50 minutes total. Third, refactoring existing code, that old messy project. Tell Opencode to clean it up. It'll refactor everything, add documentation, make it maintainable. Fourth, testing. Opencode writes your tests, unit tests, integration tests, end-to-end tests, pointed at your code and ask for test coverage. This used to take hours, now it takes minutes. Let me give you some tips for getting the most out of Opencode. First, be specific in your prompts. Don't say build me a website. Say build me a landing page for an AI automation community with an email capture form, testimonial section, and pricing table. The more detail you give, the better the output. A second, use plan mode first for complex features. Explore the approach before committing to changes. This saves you from having to undo mistakes later. Third, leverage the session history. Opencode remembers everything you've built in a session. So you can reference previous work. You can say, make that form we built earlier match the style of the pricing section, and it knows exactly what you're talking about. Fourth, don't be afraid to switch models. If one model isn't giving you what you need, try another. They all have different strengths. Claude is great for structured code. GPT-4 is creative. Gemini is fast. Fifth, use the share feature for collaboration. If you're stuck, share your session with someone who can help. They'll see your entire context and can give better advice. And sixth, keep your API keys organized. Since you can use multiple providers, make sure you've got your keys ready. It makes switching models seamless. Now, here's why Opencode matters in the bigger picture. We're moving into an era where AI does the coding and humans do the thinking. You don't need to memorize syntax anymore. You don't need to Google Stack Overflow for every error. You just need to know what you want to build. The AI handles the implementation. This levels the playing field. Someone with a great idea but limited coding skills can now compete with senior developers. Because the AI fills the gap and because Opencode is open source, the community is constantly improving it. New features, new integrations, new models. It's evolving fast. There's extensions for IDEs like NeoVim. There's Python SDKs if you want to embed Opencode in your own tools. There's a REST API for programmatic access. The ecosystem is exploding. One more thing I want to mention, the privacy aspect is huge. A lot of companies can't use cloud-based AI tools because of data restrictions, but with Opencode, everything runs locally. You can use local models, keep all your code on premise, and still get the benefits of AI assistance. This opens up AI coding for industries that were locked out before. Healthcare, finance, government, they can all use this. All right, so if you want to learn how to actually use tools like Opencode to automate your business and save dozens of hours every week, you need to join the AI Profit Boardroom. We break down exactly how to implement AI automation in your workflow. You'll get templates, SOPs, and real use cases you can copy and paste. Link is in the description below. And if you want the full process, SOPs, and 100+ AI use cases like this one, join the AI Success Lab. It's our free AI community. Links in the comments and description. You'll get all the video notes from there, plus access to our community of 40,000 members who are crushing it with AI. These people are building real businesses, automating real workflows, and they're sharing exactly how they're doing it. Try Opencode, start small, build something useful, and watch how it changes the way you work. Drop a comment below and let me know what you built. I read every single one. See you in the next video.